Still walking with the folks. Where you going? No. Barkley broke his cable. Mommy had to go to store get a new cable. We had him tied outside. Barkley, come on. They think they're going bye-bye, but truck's going. Come on. Barkley, come on. Lucy, Barkley, come on. Come on. Roses are going. There's the pink ones. Comfortable outside. Supposed to get some rain. I didn't water yet. Oh, look at that. Cicada. They're supposed to be full of nitrogen. I was reading up about them to see if they will hurt my plants. But they said once they die, they will fertilize the ground. So I'm not going to bother the cicadas. You can hear in the background. My watermelon. Something been digging in my barrel here. My watermelon about had it. No watermelon this year. I'll try next year. I still got some more seeds. Barkley, no. Lucy going poo-poo. I don't think we're going to get any rain. Good girl, Lucy. Barkley, hold on. Let me fix you here. Oh, there you go. Where's the squirrel there? Lucy missed it. Lucy, you missed that squirrel running across the line over there. Oh well. He was running his butt off too. Come on, Barkley. Leave that bug alone. That's a cicada. Leave it alone. Leave that cicada alone. Come on. They don't bite or sting or nothing. They just mate and go back into the ground. They hatch their eggs in the ground. Something like that. Yeah, see. There's the peonies. Hold on, Mark. Let's put this right back here. There you go. Behave. 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 Barkley, you broke that cable once. The mom tied it in and out. She went to the store. I don't know why she tied it in and out for it. Ain't gonna do no good. Barkley, stop it. She peeing now. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Let's go in the house, Barkley. Barkley, let's go in the house. Come on. Oh, he's a ball out here too. You know you got your ball outside here? Oh, no, Lucy. We're not going to walk around again. Come on. You're just throwing the ball on the porch. Oh, you got me all wound up here. Oh, thanks to folks for walking with us. Just thank you, folks. Let me fix this here. Oh, let's go in the house. Thanks for watching, folks. We appreciate you.